Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. Every year when the budget comes, we definitely have a lot of expectations with it. This year's budget was equally special because a lot of people had a lot of expectation. Some people were saying that the budget might give us some kind of tax relief, some kind of tax benefit. Others were looking at the rules and regulations with regards to the crypto investments. But let's understand what has the budget been for all of us and what are the highlights of the budget 2022. So the key highlights of budget 2022 are here. GDP growth for financial year 22 is expected to be 9.2%, the highest for any large economy. PLI, which is Production Linked Incentive Scheme in 14 sectors of Atmanirbhar Bharat to create more than 6 million jobs. An additional allocation of rupees 19,500 crore rupees for PLI in solar PV module manufacturing will be allotted. Not just that, promoting fintech and the digital economy is the focus area of this budget, as per the ministry, and also 75 new digital banking systems in 75 districts by scheduled commercial banks will be opened very shortly. Not just that, the IBC to be amended to improve the efficiency of the resolution of process, including the cross-border. Along with that, the core banking services will be introduced by all post offices in India very soon. Not just that, the PM Gati Shakti master plan has a scope to enhance multimodal communication through 7 engines, 2,000 kilometers of rail network to be brought under the Kavach and highway network to grow for almost 25,000 kilometers in the financial year 23. Not just that, the contracts for implementation of multimodal logistics parks at 4 locations to be awarded in the year 2022-23 in PPP model. And along with that, the ECLGS, that is Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme, to be extended to up to March 2023, guaranteed to cover extended by another rupees 50,000 crore. 8 million new dwellings in rural as well as urban areas to be completed under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Rupees 2.37 trillion worth of MSP direct payments to wheat and paddy farmers will be allotted. Not just that, rupees 2 trillion worth of outlay for MSMEs, additional loans on 13 million MSMEs will be awarded. Rupees 48,000 crore rupees allocated to housing projects under the Pradhan Mantri Housing Scheme for the financial year 2023. Not just that, rupees 1,500 crore rupees worth of money will also be allocated for the development of the Northeast in the financial year 2023 and Desh Stack e-portal to be launched to promote digital infrastructure. Along with that, new provision to file the updated return within 2 years of the relevant assessment year with regards to the income tax. Not just that, the alternative minimum tax for corporation societies will be down from 18.5% to 15%. Tax deduction limit for state government employees for NPS to be raised from 10% to 14%. Surcharge on corporate tax pruned from 12% to 7%. Surcharge on transfer of long-term capital gains tax capped at 15%. Tax exemption for startups extended till March 2023. Gross GST collection for January 2022 at a record of rupees 1.41 trillion. No changes on income tax slab, which was something that was expected a lot by investors as well as regular individuals. However, electric vehicles battery swapping policy to be brought out with interoperability standards. Alright, so the concessional duty on import of capital goods to be completely phased out. Duty on unpolished diamonds to be reduced to 5%, which was earlier higher. And this has definitely brought a lot of happiness and enthusiasm with regards to all the diamond traders and diamond merchants. Along with that, the custom duty on steel scrap extended by a year. Not to forget, RBI-led digital rupee using blockchain to be introduced very shortly in this particular year, and they are expecting to launch this particular currency of sorts by financial year 2023. 1% TDS on transfer on virtual digital assets and income to be taxed at 30%. So all the crypto investors definitely have to keep this particular point in mind whenever they are going out to make the transaction. Not just that, around 68% of capital outlay for domestic defense industry is going to be allocated. Revised fiscal deficit of 6.9% of GDP in financial year 2022 as against 6.8% in budget estimates. Fiscal deficit at 6.4% in financial year 2023. Total expenditure in the financial year 2023 is estimated to be 39.45 trillion. Total resources mobilization to be rupees 22.84 trillion other than borrowing. So these were the highlights of the budget 2022. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. And yes, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section and let us know what were your expectations with regards to the budget and has the budget come up as per your expectations or not. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and this is IndianMoney.com's English channel. Get wise, break free.